welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we're doing another cooking video with recipes from Into My Garden tea room, the tea room that I used to own. Today, since it is fall now, I thought I would share some of my soup recipes that we used to do. We used to have soup every day at the tea room, and on Thursdays we always did a Southwest taco soup and a green chili quiche, and it was usually during the week, and not the weekends, but during the week, one of the most crowded days of the week. Everybody loved the soup and they loved the green chili quiche. I put up the quiche recipe last week, and you should go check that out. And yeah, so this is a really simple soup. This video is going to be very, very short. Of course, I will leave the recipe down in the description box below. I am using a crock pot to make this, because I made it early in the day and I just wanted it to sit for all day long. But you don't have to use a crock pot. You can use just a regular pot over the stove to make this, and this soup will last you a long time. So you can make a bunch of it, you can double this, you can triple this, and all that good stuff. So yeah, hi if you are new here. By the way, my name is Jennifer. I usually do makeup material. I love all things makeup related, and I do unboxings, and usually makeup related unboxings. I do cooking videos, and sometimes I do talk about mental health issues. So if you're interested in any of that, or say you're interested in all of that, I would love it if you would hit subscribe, tap that notification bell, and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So I've probably been talking longer than this video is going to be. So let's go ahead and get into the cooking part of this video. Okay, to start off, we are going to take our crock pot, we are going to set it on high. And these are our canned things that we're going to need. You are going to need one large can. This is 1 quart, or let's say 46, is that what it says? 46 fluid ounces of tomato juice. Oops, my microwave is 1 can, or 15.25 ounces of corn, kernel corn. Undrained. You don't have to drain any of this. 1 can of pinto beans, undrained. And I'll have all of this in the description. And 1 can of diced tomatoes. So we're going to get one of these and stir it all up. So let this sit for a little while and get hot on high. And we will come back and put more in it. So just put the cover on and let it get high. Let it get hot, not high. Okay, be right back. Okay, for this next part, you will need a pan. We'll be cooking on the oven. You'll need a pound of ground beef. The leaner, the better. I've got 90-10 right here. You will need a packet of taco seasoning, and you'll need half a cup, I think half a cup of sour cream. So I'm going to brown the ground beef. Then I'm going to add the taco seasoning and then the sour cream. So I'm going to do that, come back and show you what it looks like, okay? Okay, this is what you want it to look like. Be sure and save a can back because you want to, after you brown it, you will want to drain your beef. Even if you have the 90-10, it will get greasy and you'll want to drain it out. So be sure to have a can or whatever you use to drain your meat with. So use that, then add the taco seasoning and the sour cream, mix it up, and it looks and smells really yummy. Oops, that's my coffee over there. And then the next step will be to add it to your hot soup mixture over here, and then to mix it in really well. And then I'll show you what that looks like in just a sec. And here we have our soup, and it is ready to eat, but I am going to turn it on low and let it sit most of the day until it is dinner time. Let it thicken up just a little bit and let all the flavors meld together, and it will be just perfect for dinner time. So, okay, we will let Erin taste test it for dinner time, and okay, we will be again right back. Okay, so this is how you can plate it up when it is ready. We just put some cheese on top of it and served it with some tortilla chips, just like that. Okay, let's us get Erin to taste test it.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, that turned out very good.
Yeah, is it how you remembered it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely.
All right. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. If you make a whole bunch of the soup, it is very easy to freeze and save for another time. And so yeah, again, thank you for watching this video. If you tried out this recipe or if you plan on trying it out, leave me a comment down below. It really helps out my video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, I will be sharing more soup videos this fall and winter, so there's a lot. I've got lots of soup recipes to share. So, okay, I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you're not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day today. If you are having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out all those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow, as always. Okay, stay well until then. Goodbye.